Good morning to you. I'm gonna make my breakfast now. I'm gonna make the same one that we had for snacks yesterday. Tablia and bread. I'm just gonna take one of these, but I'm gonna cut this one in pieces. Otherwise, it might not. You cannot mix. You can't melt it. I just added water, maybe half cup water inside this mixer. This is for milk protein machine actually. We've tried making it here and it's good. And then it's better than boiling it in the pot. And I'll add maybe 2 teaspoons of sugar because it's really bitter. And then that's it. So here's the hot cocoa. And then pair it with bread. What I do is I actually dip the bread in here and then eat. Really good. So this hot choco or tablia is actually a traditional Filipino hot chocolate drink made with 100% roasted beans, and then they press it into like a coin shape, and then it become like this. So my grandma before used to make like that. It's homemade and it's really delicious. The one that I have now is also from Philippines, but it's more of like commercialized, or I think maybe they use a machine on it, because it's quite different, though it still tastes good. So they went already. I'm gonna go shower. I got hungry. I'm gonna reheat the fish soup from last night, but only the soup. I want to eat. I wanna eat it with the dried fish. I have like stacks of dried fish here, or we call it buwad. Here. I got them from the Philippines, though we can also buy it here from the Filipino shops. This one, the small ones, bulinaw, and this one my favorite. I don't know how you call this. Call it lagaw, pinikas, and then the squid. I haven't opened it yet. Dried squid. And then my other favorite dried fish, what do you call it? Tabagak. That's the scaly one. Now I'm gonna have, what will I cook? Maybe. I'm just gonna have this one. No, this one. So here's my fish tinola, my sabaw with the dried fish. Love the dried fish. This is my second time to have breakfast. I had like earlier this morning, like around 7:30. So like one's not enough for me, because if I wait for like 9 o'clock or 9:30 to have breakfast, my stomach will be rumbling. Like I already feel hungry. So I eat like 7:30 together with the kids before they go to school. And after 7:30, I also cannot wait to have lunch 12. Like I'm already very hungry on that time if I wait for 12. So I ate like in between around 9:30 or 10. I feel like every 2 to 3 hours, my stomach is rumbling. I feel hungry. So I ate in between. And I have lunch 12, sometimes 12:30. And I'll have snacks around 3:15. And the kids are here. And then dinner. So I just took a break from my job. It's now like, it's almost 11.
So I'll have lunch now, maybe 12:30 or
I'm
1.
thinking of cleaning the fridge today. Been wanting to do this for like a week now, but haven't done it. So maybe now we'll check. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It looks so full on this side, but I'm sure there's a lot to declutter in there. Not everything has been used. Maybe some are spoiled already. And also there, just needs organizing, and I'm sure it's gonna be empty. Stuff that has been here for a long time and seems like forgotten. So I'm confused if we have to put it back or not. But I don't want to throw them out because like this one still good. We just have to finish it. Make sure to finish it, otherwise sige na siya tago na rin. Makalimta na lang. Forgotten. Should not be forgotten. And then there was, oh yes, the jam. This one, I thought this is like kanang chili, like the sauce of the, what do you call that? Shumai ba, but I don't know, seems like not. Look at that. Or maybe, we just, smells different. We just need to add calamansi na lang of chili. So I'll keep this one. I haven't used this, I think only one time. Kung ano siya, dried chili, not sure. Got the Asian shop. And this one, I got this from Filipino shop. It says bagoong alamang. I'm thinking kanang murag uyak, but it's not. Yeah, I think it is, but ew. The smell is so bad. I don't know why. Maybe spoil or inani gid siya. But no, it doesn't. It's supposed to smell good ba yung uyak. Doesn't smell good pero smells delicious pa. But this one, it smells like it's spoiled. So I don't think I'm gonna put it back. I haven't even used that one. I won't put it back in the fridge. And then, traditional pesto. I got this from HelloFresh. You know, the package where they send you like foods and ingredients. So it's one of it. I don't know what is it. Pesto. Fresh basil, olive oil, more so yun. It's never been opened, so I think it's still good. Mangita na tag recipe nga na yun. Just look for a recipe with an ingredient like this one, so we can use it. Same as this one. This is also from a subscription like box. Hinodi vinegar. I don't know what kind of vinegar is it. Still sealed, so I'm gonna keep this. This one is tahini. I don't know what's tahini. Open it. Smells like butter or peanut butter. Maybe it's a type of peanut. Ground sesame seeds, sesame. I'm just gonna keep it. Maybe one day we're gonna need it. Have some sauce, sauce for the sandwiches, like this mustard mayonnaise. Not use anymore. Let me check. Still good. I think they're still good because they're just in the fridge. This one, together with this, chipotle mayonnaise. But this one is spicy. I'm gonna try it. Because before we made a hot dog sandwich and we used that one. So we'll try. This one is cheese cheddar spread. So if we run out of cheese whiz, this is our alternative. So cheese whiz is still much better. Minced garlic. I haven't used this for a long time now because I'm using a different one. So I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it there. All condiments will be here. This one here, the jams. And then this one, Nando's peri peri. For sure, this is still good. So I'm gonna put it in here. I have so many sauce being forgotten. This one also for mga chips. Kanina naman food. So here it is now, looks clean and empty. So here, the Yakult, I removed the plastic, so it'll be easier for them. And then this one, my vanilla syrup, and here are the condiments. They're still good. I thought I can declutter more, but they're all good still, which is good. So we won't be throwing foods in there. And then here, the spreads. Butter, cheese whiz, jam, and the yogurt. Down there is aloe vera juice. We have some wines in there. And here is the milk bread, cake, croissant, and down there the veggies. So that's all. It's not that much. Easy to organize. And here I'm gonna do this stuff in here as well. The front, I need to remove some of it. The fridge door is clean as well. I removed all the old calendars in here, so we have just the 2020, and I moved all the photos in here as well. The magnets, this is from last year, so I'm waiting for the new one this year so I could replace it. This is when they were in prep, kinder, Jeff's when she was attending a party. This is us. It looks like a mugshot. And then this is MJ when she was in grade 4. This was on her graduation with her friends. These are the magnets here when we went to Churchill Island Farm. When we went to Phillip Island, the F1, sa nila kanang mga F1 Grand Prix circuit. And then this one, Phillip Island as well. Kanisad, Melbourne Aquarium, I think. This one, some souvenir magnets in there. Penguins, Avenger. We went to the Avenger Stadium here in Melbourne. Yes, I think that's it. This one given from a friend from Japan. This one is at the Gold Museum. This one is in Sea Life, from Sea Life Aquarium. This one as well. Koala from Gold Museum. Hungry now. Let's make Toron. Just a quick one before I'm gonna prepare for dinner. It's still 5 o'clock. Is it 5 o'clock na day? All we need is this spring roll pastry. This is the bigger one. I think the size is what's the size of this one? 8.5 inches. So this, and then jackfruit, and then banana. This banana is like the raw one. We call it saba. And then sugar. Here I'm using muscovado sugar, but you can use any sugar that you want. Mostly I use the raw sugar, but today I want to try the muscovado. So here I prepared all the ingredients. First, I dip the banana in the sugar and then wrap the banana and the jackfruit in your spring roll wrappers. Heat an oil in the pan and then dip and cook your Toron or spring rolls until they're golden brown. Our Toron is done. See, it's just golden brown. Looks like spring rolls without the meat in it. Nice crispy. It's good because it's sweet. There's more jackfruit. There's more jackfruit inside. So it's nice with the hot drinks like coffee or cold drinks. Good for snack. It is now like 6 in the evening, so I'm gonna start cooking my bulalo / tinolang baka or beef soup. I have here 2 slices of the osobuco chops. Yeah, osobuco. So this is what I'm gonna use for my bulalo. So I already put like 2 in here. I'm gonna cook 2 only, so I'll put this in the fridge with the onion. I put a bit of ginger because I like the smell of the ginger, and then also a magic syrup. So I'm gonna use the pressure cooker. I will let this soften first. I'll cook this one first before I add in the veggies. Okay, so it has stopped counting down. It's 0 now. It will turn back into 1, and it's making that noise with the smoke there. So I'm thinking it's ready now, or it just started. I think it's ready now. I'm gonna check the beef. So there it is. Let's try if it's soft enough. So I want my beef to be like really soft. Yeah, it's so soft now. It's like foam. So I'm gonna put in the veggies. This is just very simple. I'm just gonna add in the squash or the pumpkin, and then my sweet corn, and then later on when it's cooked, I'll add the bok choy. So that's all. I didn't add anything else. It's a very simple, quick bulalo recipe. I'm gonna cook this again. I'm not sure though. It's my first time to cook this one here in pressure cooker. So it's 237 degree. I'm just gonna put it to the lowest. Okay, so this is the lowest, I think. Maybe we can choose time. 30 minutes. 20. Okay, maybe only just. Let's try 15 minutes. Or just 10 because it's pressure cooker. It might be cooked fast. 10 or 15. Okay, just 15. So I want my pumpkin to be soft as well. And then start. Now it's finished. The veggies are also soft. So that was 15 minutes. 15 minutes for the veggies, 30 minutes for the beef. And this one, I'm using bok choy. I didn't get the cabbage because I don't like their cabbage here. So just that one. Put it in, and maybe I won't leave this for too long because it might be overcooked. I'm just gonna cover this and turn off the pressure cooker. We had a late dinner and I'm so full, at the same time so sleepy. So I'm in bed now and I'm gonna sleep. Good night.